Hey everybody, this is your boy Evilcrossover, back with another review video. And today we're reviewing Matchello, a card game that you match the states to their corresponding matching state, so their neighboring state. So we're gonna play this and we're gonna review it and let you know our thoughts. All right. So we have all the cards spread out, all 50 states. So you have to shuffle, spread them out, face down, and then we do also have a little cheat guide. So if you have a younger player, they can refer to one of these when doing the matching. So let's get into the game. So we got the matching pairs going on here. So me and my son's piles. So what I like about this, these cards are nice and thick, so it's definitely well made. But it also has the bordering. So I thought it was just going to be a game that you just have to guess what states are neighboring, and then you have to go from there. But they actually tell you what the neighboring states are, so it has a better chance of matching pairs up. So it's definitely a cool game to play. And we already started matching, and guess who won? Not me. And we're back with another review next time. I'll catch you on the next one.